Ever wonder what actually happens when you crack your knuckles? That loud pop might sound like bones snapping, but it's not. Inside your joints, there's a slippery liquid called synovial fluid. When you pull or bend your fingers, the pressure suddenly drops, and tiny gas bubbles form inside the fluid. And when those bubbles rapidly collapse, pop, that's the sound you hear. But here's the weird part. Studies show cracking your knuckles surely doesn't cause arthritis like people always say. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on only one hand for over 60 years, and both hands ended up the same. So the sound isn't bones breaking, it's basically tiny bubbles exploding in your fingers. Wait, what?